Work out an expression for the nth term of the quadratic sequence, and this is our sequence here. Give your answer in the form an squared plus bn plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. So we're working with a quadratic sequence here, guys, which gives us a big clue as to what we need to do first. So when we're working with quadratic sequences, we need to find the second difference. So the first difference, to get from 2 to 17, we add 15. To get from 17 to 40, we add 23. To get from 40 to 71, we add 31. That's the first difference. We want the second difference. So we want the difference between the differences. So we want the difference between 15 and 23, which is plus 8, and the difference between 23 and 31, which is also plus 8. So our second difference is positive 8. So that gives us the first part of our expression for the nth term because we half that second distance. So the a part of that is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So our quadratic is going to start 4n squared for our nth term, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to compare the 4n squared part, the sequence that would generate, with the sequence that we've got. So we're going to do, how many terms we've got? 4. Okay. So we're going to find our first term, second term, third term, and fourth term for 4n squared. So for the first term, n is 1. So 1 squared is 1 plus 4 times 4, sorry, is 4. For our second term, 2 squared, n is 2, so 2 squared is 4 times 4 is 16. For our third term, n is 3, n squared is 3 squared, which is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. For our fourth term, n is 4, 4 squared is 16, times 4 is 64. And what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to compare that sequence to the sequence that we're working with here. So 2, 17, 40, and 71. So at this stage, we are looking for, let's extend my table. We're looking for what happens to get from 4n squared to the original sequence that we're working with. Okay, so to get from 4 to 2, we subtract 2. To get from 16 to 17, we add 1. To get from 36 to 40, we add 4. And to get from 64 to 71, we add 7. So I'm going to work with this sequence here, -2, 1, 4, and 7. So I'm going to see if I can find an nth term rule that describes the difference between 4n squared and my original quadratic sequence. Okay, to get from -2 to +1, we add 3. To get from +1 to +4, we add 3. And to get from +4 to +7, we add 3. So those differences, guys, form a linear sequence. So we're going to find the nth term for that linear sequence. They've got a difference of +3, so it's going to be 3n. Now I'm going to compare what I need to do to get from 3 to the first term here, -2. Well, I'm subtracting, so I'm going from 3 to a smaller number. And to get from 3 to -2, I need to subtract 5. Okay, so our nth term for this quadratic sequence, we have 4n squared, and then we have this linear sequence that takes us from the 4n squared back to the original sequence we were working with. So 4n squared plus 3n minus 5.